Blue Marlin.
Ano pira yun?
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
220 ang kilo.
Di pwede 200. 200 per kilo. How?
I want like, no, like 3 pieces.
Ako ba ini?
Three.
Ano, taging na yun.
Wow, look at this. Okay. The cabeza is Merlin. That's Merlin, no?
Yes, Blue Marlin. Pag halimbawa tulo lang na pigaso. Dira.
Yeah, how much is all that? Put one more.
Sarap pa, sarap pa.
Pag-episode ko.
Dira.
Oh, look at it.
230.
See, okay, that's it.
230. 230. 4 pieces, 230.
I like it. Oh, look, what do you like for your small fish? No, you're going to eat it?
Yes.
Okay. But you don't like this one? Eh? That one? Look at this one. Yeah?
I don't.
No?
I don't like.
You like the, what is that, baby? Ostras?
Ano ba yun? Shell, some kind of shell, the one that you eat on.
Oh, okay, yes, yes. Oh, and that's also the shells, no?
200, 230. Di ba 210? Di ba 210?
Yeah. No. What?
Yes, sabi ko.
This is the freezer. Look at this one.
630.
Let's go over
So
there.
let's
Over
we
there.
buy another fish.
Yeah, no, let me see. Yes, go to them. You know. So you want this is like tuna. Baby, you like the no? Sorry. Oh, look at this one. Which one? Tell me which one you like, baby, to fry
I
for
don't
you.
like. I don't like.
You don't like it?
And yes, because I like to eat liver.
Yes. And you don't like this fries?
This one?
Yes.
I don't like that. It's not fresh.
Oh, look at that. Wow. See? This is the same. This is the same. Yeah? Wow. This is good. This. Well, I think that we have a lot, no?
We have a lot.
Okay.
So
No, but that's really good. That's really.
we buy fruits and then vegetables.
Look at this. Look at that. Wow.
Pero yun. Wala, nakabakal naman sa masa.
Qué bárbaro. Okay, baby. Now we have some pork. You want some pork? Hold on.
Thank you.
Hey, how you doing, my friend? Good morning. Good morning.
What is yours?
Pork chop.
Pork chop.
Yes, half of that.
Half lang kuya. Pwede pa slice. Dira ba yan, anak?
190.
Anak.
95.
The big ones. I want this one. Yes,
Half.
half.
Wow. Short.
Pwede pa slice kuya.
Sí.
want, sir?
Give me,
Lean meat?
hold on, baby. This is beef, red meat.
Carabao. Water buffalo.
What? You don't like it? She don't like it.
Sa Sunday.
What is?
They have a beef on Sunday.
Oh, on Sunday? Okay. Sunday.
Sunday.
Beef.
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 Yeah.
What is that?
Carabao.
Carabib.
Carabao.
Oh, carabib, the
This
sheep.
buffalo.
Oh, the buffalo.
Yeah.
Oh, poor-
Like buffalo.
too strong meat. No, Sunday if you have meat, I buy.
You'll be back on Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunday, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Sunday I like meat because I don't eat too much meat.
Only Sunday.
Only Sunday.
Yeah.
Early, 8, 9 o'clock.
Oh, no. Even,
All
even
day?
6. Even 6, 7, 8.
Oh, okay, perfect. Yeah,
Early in the morning.
early in the morning.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you. Sunday we need to buy meat.
Yeah, yeah.
Salamat.
Okay. Thank you.